Most security doors and windows are either unattractive grilles and bars or not strong enough to withstand real-life burglars. But now you can beat more burglars with the only security mesh that's screw-clamped. This powerful promise, which is unmatched in our industry, can only be made by CrimSafe, because only CrimSafe screw clamps the mesh to the frame itself to prevent it being kicked out. This means that our systems far exceed the Australian standards and are the strongest in the market. This video features genuine footage showing how CrimSafe performs against the applicable Australian standard 5039/2003, covering dynamic impact testing. The video then goes on to show the same CrimSafe sample resisting additional and far more severe punishment after it has already withstood the Australian standards testing. We'll then reveal the facts, showing how this superior strength is achieved and how the unique CrimSafe system works to protect you and your home or business.
Hi, I'm Peter Traynor, the Technical and Development Manager at CrimSafe Security Systems. I'm an ex-Associate Director of Standards Australia, and I must point out the Australian standards have been developed only as a minimum level of performance. Simple compliance with these standards may not necessarily give you superior performance in real-life situations. In this video, you'll see testing to the Australian standards in an independently certified NADA laboratory. You'll then see the same CrimSafe sample, which has already passed the Australian standards, being subjected to far more brutal punishment. We've chosen this method of testing because it's a common way for an intruder to gain entry into your home or business. Well, as you can see, the CrimSafe screen far exceeds the Australian standards and will easily withstand any break-in attempt in real-life situations. It costs a little bit more to engineer this level of performance into the CrimSafe product, but you'll be investing in real security and peace of mind. Now, let's really get serious with CrimSafe.
This is not an attack you will see every day, but CrimSafe can take the punishment. What you didn't know is that the frame used to hold the mesh in these attacks is the lightest frame section we make. Imagine how tough all our other frames are, especially our commercial system, which has 5 times the number of screws and 60% thicker frames.
Now that we've seen how the CrimSafe product performs, let's have a closer look and see how it achieves this strength and performance.
CrimSafe's unique and patented screw clamp system uses stainless steel tamper-resistant screws to fasten through the mesh and the clamp and into the frame. Teeth matched to the profile of the mesh ensure total grip, while the hooking feature of the clamp into the frame makes all the parts act as one strong unit which absorbs impact by spreading the load around the frame. Another CrimSafe innovation is the development of our patented Santoprene rubber insulator. This UV-resistant insulator reduces water penetration and salt build-up in harsh environments, virtually eliminating galvanic corrosion of the different metals, resulting in a very long life for your screens. While the screw clamp is the key to CrimSafe's strength, let's see why even our mesh is superior. Our 0.9mm premium 304 grade stainless steel security mesh is the thickest in the market, giving it unsurpassed strength for security applications. So, the patented screw-clamped fastening method, along with 0.9mm tensile tough woven security wire, has proven itself in the market and allowed us to offer our unique promise. You can beat more burglars with the only security mesh that's screw-clamped. Two special applications of CrimSafe take its strength and safety even further. Our Safe Escape keyless exit system means you can escape hazards quickly, but burglars still can't break in. In fact, its one-touch system is so easy, even a child can operate it. CrimSafe Mesh even has the added bonus of higher heat resistance, and that's because we use the metal screw-clamped system to hold the mesh in. The mesh holds fast to resist heat longer, which is particularly significant in fire or bushfire situations. And CrimSafe's Cyclone Build-Out puts more distance between our mesh and your glass window. So even if your CrimSafe mesh warps from the impact of flying objects, your window, and therefore your family, is safer with CrimSafe.